Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you for choosing my video. I made a video to show how Turkish Yufka breads on the market are being prepared. In this video we will examine how bread is made in Turkish Yufka bread's production. The large steel cylinder cuts the dough round. The pieces coming from the side of the cut dough will be sent to the big mixer to be kneaded again. A bread type prepared using flour, water and salt with no additives. Salt and water are added. Very fluent and cannot speak English properly. I can speak English this way. I hope you understand me. The masters who have done this work for 30 years know how dough consistency should be. Flour is added. The machine's drum is rotated in the opposite direction with hand power to prevent pasteurization. The flour used must be harmonious and first-class quality for this bread. If necessary, add flour again to obtain a solid dough with the consistency of gum. Help your videos reach more people by showing appreciation. You can make more people see you by appreciating. Thanks to everyone for support. The dough comes out in finger thickness and a strip of 1 cm. Prepared dough is flexible and machine will open the dough and prepare it thinly. The cylinder hammer in the machine has examined one more level. The dough is thin further through the steel cylinder you see here. In this part the dough is stretching to the thinnest shape. The steel cylinder cuts the dough round and enters the fire to cook the dough. Defective doughs that are broken are separated. dough breads to be cooked with 4 burners burning strongly. The breads from here are cooked and very hot. In this section, cooked breads are soaked with water. It is possible to produce 10,000 pieces of bread a day in this workplace. Wheat breads need to be a little ventilated for drying. Will be rested a bit and will be packaged and sold. Can last a long time in the cabinet. There are 7 breads in a package. The price of a package is less than $1. Bread can be sent from abroad here. Crispy pan pie recipe. I bought a pack of bread and I would make a simple pie with 1. Boiled and grated potatoes, boiled green lentils, soft white cheese, beaten egg, salt, dry mint, pepper. I divide it into 8 equal parts. You can do this in 12 pieces. I add potato, lentil and cheese. I add salt. I add dry mint. I add red pepper flakes. I close the edges and wrap it in a roll. Close it by adding eggs. Add the warmed oil and wait until it is red. Remove the puff pastry from the oil. You can decorate your plate with parsley, cucumber and tomato. Crispy pie ready. Bon appetit, enjoy your meal. We come to the end of the tight video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Goodbye to see you again in a new recipe.